Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about sets in Python. So what is a set? A set is an unordered, unindexed collection of unique items. It automatically eliminates duplicate values. And how do we create an empty set? So we create an empty set by doing this line of code. Let me actually go into IPython interpreter. IPython. So this is how we create an empty set. So we can actually just say, we can type in type and then the name of the set, and we see that it's a set. And this is how we add individual items or elements. So devices. So we're using the add method. So this is how we add individual devices or items. Okay, so now if we print, we see that there's 2 items within the set. Okay, and this is how we add multiple items or devices in this case. We have the set of curly braces, and then we add the 2 strings in this case. And then we assign that set into a variable called new devices. Just going to copy and paste this line of code, and then we add multiple devices by saying or by using the update method. So we are just adding in or passing in the new devices set, and where we are adding it to the current set, which is devices in this case. Okay, so now if we print devices, we should see that the 2 new items that we just added. This is how we add a specific item or a specific device in this case. So using the discard method this is the method that is safe to use because we will not get a error message when we use this compared to using the remove method. So even if the item does not exist, we will not get an error message. So let's say we'll remove. So we don't see .5 here, 192.168.1.5. So let's say remove .5. Yeah, we don't get an error message. So here, this is another way of removing an existing item from the set, and that is successful. If I print the set again, we don't see the .5, .2 and .5, .4, because .5 does not exist. And this is how if we use the .remove method and the item does not exist, it raises an error, or in this case, a key error. So let's say copy and paste this line of code. Yeah, we get this key error message. Okay, and this is how we erase or clear the items inside the set. And if we print the devices or set again, we don't see any items. So it's a blank set. Okay, so that's how you create an empty set, add individual items or devices, add multiple devices, remove a specific device, remove an existing remove a specific device using the .discard method and remove method, and also clear all the items or devices in the set. Okay, so this is all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.